is the hierarchy of life. And whenever you see hierarchy, it's just what is the order that life comes in. And so on this side, I have what? The biggest. Okay, so let me just put that over here. This is the biggest or the largest, and down here where the atoms are, these are the smallest. Okay, and it's a nice way to really look at that. So I'm going to start off going from the top and working our way down. When I see the biosphere, I think of one thing, right? I'm just going to draw the planet over there. I think of what? Earth. Okay, great. Ecosystem, when you see ecosystem, this is going to include all of the biotic plus the abiotic, right? This is going to be our living and our non-living. The community is just going to be the living. So let's just put biotic there, okay? And so we're getting even more narrow to a population. All right, so with a population, this all better be the what? Same species. Organism, we know, that's the individual, okay? Organ system now, I'll give an example of an organ system. Why don't we say the, what? Circulatory, right? Circulatory system. Okay, where we have beneath that an organ, and the organ would be the heart. All right, I'm just gonna put organ there. Then we have tissue. Okay, what kind of tissue would be there? Well, there's a bunch of different kinds of tissue. Epithelial, mesophyll. Okay, I'm just gonna put that one there. In terms of the cell, there's two types. I'm gonna talk about this in the next slide, okay? But there's prokaryotes and eukaryotes. But I just wanna put a little star here. And right, this is where life begins, okay? This is the smallest unit of life. And this is where life actually is going to start. All right, now the organelles. Well, we're going to talk about a lot of organelles and then a couple of chapters later, but one of them I'll bring up. My favorite is the mitochondria. Okay, organic molecules. Now this one becomes really nice because we're going to talk about 4 of them. We have carbohydrates, so I'll put carbs, lipids, yes, proteins, and nucleic acids. Great. Molecules, okay. Molecules that we have to know, such as H2O. We have to know NH3, ammonia. We have to know CH4, right? Methane, waste products, yes? This is bacterial waste. What else? CO2, little small ones, O2. All right, finally we have our atoms, and this is what we're gonna do soon enough. This is gonna be, best way to remember it is CHNOP, CHNOP. Okay? And that's carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur. The hierarchy of life. If you know this, you know where you are at all times. Biology is only going to touch upon something in each part of here.